Hey, my friends are all wrapped up. Let's try to get them out. Oh, it looks like there's something going on there. Oh, got it. Yay. Okay, let's check out the monster. The Dalmatian. Nice. Oh, this is the tongue, and this is the face, and this is the nose. Nice. And the teeth. Wow. It rolls pretty nicely, too. I'm so happy we are so free.
Yeah, we made it.
I have an idea now. Let's get our friends out. I'm gonna get these two out. Yeah! Alrighty, let's get Crush Station out. Yay, we got Crush Station. Ta-da! He's ready to crush everything in Candyland. Wow! This is Pirate Curse. Let's get Pirate Curse 2 out of here. Click it. Oh, whoa! As simple as that. Wow. Here is Pirate Curse. No, Pirate Curse. Whoa. I wonder why he's a curse. Maybe because he's a pirate. Look at both wheels whirling at the same time. Wow. So fancy looking. Look at these wheels. Gravedigger, I can't believe it. You made it. Yes, finally. And I'm ready to go for hunting on some candy. Guys, I got one more friend to go. His name is Gravedigger. Let's get him out of there. Let's get you out of there, my friend. Thank you so much for coming to my rescue. This was a long journey. Of course. Anytime. We're friends. Fantastic. The whole crew is here. Oh, wow. We are so ready. We don't have no time to waste. Let's get the candy before someone else get it. Wow. My Little Pony with some jelly beans. Awesome. Oh, wow. Fantastic. I like the Little Pony. And let's see what the jelly beans look like. Wow. So yummy looking. So colorful looking. Look at that. We got all colors. Let's open them up. Oh. Wow. Yellow, blue, red, purple, blue, red, yellow. Oh, yummy looking. Oh, here's the bonus. Another pony. Wow. Let's see if the jelly beans look the same. Very similar. Yummy looking jelly beans. Oh yummy, well yummy, yummy, yummy. And there's here my Lollipop rings surprise egg. Let's check it out. Wow, 3 surprises in a surprise egg. Fantastic. I got a red lollipop that looks like a duck. Whoa, fantastic. And here's my yellow lollipop. Lollipop ring. This looks like a puppy. And my blue pop. Nice, another bunny. That's it for today. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to become a twinkle twinkle little star and have a nice day.